What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing well. We are back in the computer shop today, but we're not doing computer shop things. We're doing some mining things. So as you guys know, I have this rig over here on the side. I talked about it before. It is a 5700 XT rig. I've been messing with it. I'm having motherboard issues now. I'm thinking I'm going to dismantle that and move a riserless board over here. I just like the simplicity of the riserless boards. This rig's been put together since 5700 XTs were new, so it's been a few years now. It's been sitting, and we had RAM issues first. Now we're having post issues again. I swapped CPU and it posted like 2 or 3 times, and now it won't post. So probably need to change out the motherboard. I'm not sure, but for the time being, I'm just going to dismantle it. Put a riserless board there. Just make it super simple. If you've never used a riserless board, they are nice and they are simple. So I guess now it's time for the time lapse. Alright, so for right now I have the riserless board set up with 3 cards because I had 2 or 3 cards with bad fans. So I put the ones I believe that had decent fans on there just to get it powered up and running, but I forgot my Hive drive back at the house, so I'm going to see if I can't remember my login, because it's one of those crazy long strings of letters that I don't keep with me. If I can't figure it out, then I'm not going to be able to get this up and running today. That'll probably come tomorrow or another day. But yeah, there she is in all her glory. It ain't pretty, but it's gonna work. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for coming out, and I guess we'll see you on the flip side. Adios. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. We are back in the PC shop today, and I have some more graphics cards to churn through. So these were picked up a while ago, and I just never got around to testing them, but I bought them in an unknown condition. This was kind of like the last little leftover bits from a buy that I got a while back. So we have an EVGA 1080. This is a For the Win edition. This is back when, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I feel like 10th gen EVGA was on their stuff. Obviously EVGA is good all the way up into 30 series, and then RIP, we had never got the EVGA 40 series, but EVGA 10 series is like some of my most favorite iconic cards. So let me get this bad boy plopped into here. Can y'all see that over there? Yeah, you can. I got the wide angle lens on. Let me power this system down real quick. The wall PC has turned out to be pretty decent for like just needing like a fast little computer to boot up and try things in like a Windows environment, because I was previously testing everything in Hive. The only problem with that is if you're not checking the displays, like the card could still potentially mine but not have a working display. And then, you know, I'm selling a card that doesn't actually display anything, which is no bueno. So let's plop this 2080 out of here. So 2080 Ti, actually. I was doing a little testing on that bad boy. That's that fancy one that lights up and does all the cool light show. Now we got the 1080 going in. Lock it down. Give it power. Right there. Right there. And we'll give it display. And let's power it up. Oh, okay. I did actually test this card. I am losing. I had this in a pile of untested cards. This is the one I tested the other day that it just flicks the system on and off. So this one must be shorted out in some form or fashion. My bad on that. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the pile of the bad GPUs, because we're taking a bunch of them down to our friends at Silver Knights to get repaired. There's that 580, that's a bad one. Did I test them all the other day? Hold on. Oh, here we go. I did not test this one yet. This is a MSI. It's a 1660 Ti. It's actually a pretty good looking 1660 Ti. Let's see if she boots up and is happy. Oh, hit that. Hit that. Aha. Okay, well that's good. It at least turns on. Let's see if we get display out of it. Oh, here's one that I wanted to test out. Vega 56. I was not a huge fan of these cards when they came out. They had a lot of failures, but once they finally figured everything out about them, they quit making them. Vega 56s, Vega 64s. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. 8 gigabytes of HBM2. Super fast memory. Oh. Alright. I'm going to let this boot up and go into Windows and check all that stuff, and then we'll move on to the Vega, because nobody's excited about a 1660 Ti.